This is a review of the Downy Wrinkle Releaser. This is a spray that you put on wrinkled clothes, and it will gently release the wrinkles out of your clothing. All you have to do, you shake it up a little bit, and you'll see the spray. It just comes out, and you spray it on your clothes, and in a few minutes, it will release the wrinkles. It also helps with freshening up your clothing and helps with static cling. So that's something else. I love to keep these at hand. I travel with them. They help when you're traveling. These little bottles are great because they can fly. It's 3 fluid ounces, so this can even fly even if you happen to put it in your carry-on. So you spray your article of clothing, you give it a little tug and smooth with your hands, and you hang or lay it flat to dry, and it will help with your wrinkles and releasing them. It's a game changer when they came out with this. Put this in your cart today.